President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. announced that among 7 countries, the Philippines will be leading the Loss and Damage Fund Board. The LDF is expected to provide crucial financial support for the countries involved. Des Matienzo has the details.
The Philippines has been chosen to lead the Loss and Damage Fund, or LDF board, announced by the President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Out of 7 from other countries, Philippines has been elected as the host country of the said board. The LDF focuses on the various problems that other countries have encountered as a result of the severe effects of climate change. Furthermore, it will give crucial financial support to the countries involved. According to the President, the Philippines' participation in the LDF will allow it to express its own perspective, as well as the influence the country can bring to the said matter.
Damage Fund Board. Ngayon, ang Loss and Damage Fund Board ay mag-host ay ang Pilipinas. Kaya naman, magiging malaki ang ating impluensya para lahat ng ating pangangailangan, lahat ng ating pananaw tungkol dito sa subject matter na ito, ay maaari nating sabihin at maaari magka-influence tayo. Sasabihin natin, hindi nyo na naisip ito o ang kailangan nyo na gawin ay ganito. Lahat ng mga ganyan, may boses tayo na malakas. Yan ang pinaka-importanteng resulta sa pag-host ng Pilipinas sa Loss and Damage Fund Board.
Meanwhile, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DNR Secretary Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga stated that the Philippines is the most qualified for the LDF board as one of the countries most vulnerable to the adverse effects of climate change. This is Des Matienzo for EuroTV News.